Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can transfer crypto from Revolut to other wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Revolut, and now go ahead, tap on this option of crypto, which is given on top. Then from over here, go ahead, choose this option of crypto from the wealth section. Then go ahead, tap on this option of trade for us to add some money for us to purchase Bitcoin. From over here, go to the search bar and type in Bitcoin for us to simply transfer it to another wallet. Then from over here, tap on this option of buy if you don't have any. Otherwise, if you have already got, then tap on this option of send. Then from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of add plus new for us to send it to our friend or to another wallet. Choose the wallet from over here and tap on plus new on top right. Then choose crypto wallet instead of contact. Then tap on got it at the bottom. You can see be sure to select a Bitcoin address. For us to send Bitcoin, we have to get the Bitcoin address. It will depend on other crypto as well. For example, if you're sending Ethereum, make sure to have an Ethereum address. Now this interface is gonna pop up where you simply have to add in the wallet address and label. Go ahead, copy the address of your another wallet that you would add, where you would like to send the crypto. Paste address and type in the label as well. Once you're done, tap on this option of continue at the bottom and you're good to go. That's how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.